Welcome back to Design Your Desired Future. Today's quick motivation and success tip for the 100 Days of Stress Reduction Challenge is to find happiness in the moment. It seems like a simple concept, sure. But how many of us are actively paying attention and living in the moment? How many of us make every day good, despite being disappointed in the moment? How many of us are present in the moment now? When bad things happen, how do you respond? Do you actively find the positive in the moment, or do you roll with the negative flow in response to the negative stimulus? If many of us are being honest, the answer is roll with the negative flow until it becomes a landslide that results in a bad day. The good news: you can choose to change this reaction. You can choose to be aware of negative things happening and your response to them. You can choose to react differently. You can stop that negative flow in its tracks, and this is a great way to live by the law of attraction. First step is to recognize the negative trigger. Maybe your alarm doesn't go off and you get up late. If you have someplace to be, it can cause you to rush and get up on the wrong side of the bed, to coin a popular phrase. Then you get dressed and spill something on your clothes, causing you to have to change, putting you even later on your schedule. Then imagine you find yourself in a traffic jam on the way to work. See how things can build on each other, causing a landslide. The best way to stop this is recognize and reframe. Start with getting up late. It happens. So identifying this can help change the course of your day. Come up with solutions. Is it possible to contact your office and let them know you might be late? Say you do and they tell you that you have a meeting. Is it possible to Zoom into that meeting? Find solutions that might be out of the box or positive in nature. Otherwise, your energy will cause travel down a negative path. Sometimes, out-of-the-box solutions or positive changes are not available. Again, life happens. Is this a normal occurrence? For most, it isn't. If it is, then other videos on this channel might be helpful, like focusing on time management or various success tips. What is your biggest challenge to success? Let us know down below, and you may see a video helping with this in the future. While you are down there, please subscribe and click the bell. Like the video and share it with others. You never know when someone may be needing this motivation tip. So if out-of-the-box positive solutions can't help in this situation, then acknowledging the situation is still the first step. But before you let the landslide take control by rushing around and trying to make up the time, take a moment, focus on your breath, and count to 10. It seems simple, some may think it is counterproductive. You are already behind schedule and now you are taking time to calm yourself. But this can be the most important part of your morning. Refocus, reframe, readjust, and calm the negative energy building up in your body. The idea behind this tip is to find a way to course correct your day. Only you know the best way to do that, because you know the details of what is happening in your life, family, career, etc. One tip we give our clients is to write out a list of proactive ways to overcome negative setbacks in your day. Keep this in your journey journal to use as a reference in the future. The more positive you send out, the more positive you get back. Negative energy is a success killer and stress enhancer. Please subscribe to this channel. Next week we will be posting the first of many breathing exercise tips you can use to distress and reframe. If you found this helpful, please share the video. Check out our stress reduction playlist linked below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.